Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a tip to create cute edit in CapCut. So first of all, create a project in CapCut with your video. And here I have created a project with this video. Then we're going to make cute edit for this video. So guys, just remember that the definition of cute is different from one person to another. So this is just for an example, okay? Alright, and if we want to make cute edit, we can put like a cute effect or cute element to our video. So I'm just going to click on effect to add effect to this video, and I'm going to select body effect because I want to apply effect for the face, and just click on body effect, and we can explore a lot of effects to make our video look cute. And I'm going to select this category, and I'm going to apply this one. Okay, does it look cute? I'm going to try another effect. I'm going to try this one. So just tap on the effect if you want to use it. And okay, I think it looks cute, so I'm going to use this effect. Does it look cute? For me, it's kind of cute, and I'm going to use this effect. Okay, and after we're done selecting the effect, we can adjust the length. We can make this effect align with the video. So we just need to drag the effect like this. Okay guys, and that's the tips to make a cute video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.